Most wet dry vacuum cleaners, they claim that they can clean under the furniture, but when you actually try, you get a totally different story. I got two of them right behind me, and I'm about to show you. This is the Dreame Aero wet dry vacuum cleaner, and the first thing that makes it different is not the suction, but how thin it is. Starting off with the ultra slim 180-degree design, and this is the main advantage because the Aero reclines for 180 degree completely flat, and it has a clearance height of just 3.88 inches, and that means that it can slide under sofas, beds, low cabinets, TV stands, and this is where most wet dry vacuums simply can't go. But now here is the important part, because when it lays flat, it doesn't lose suction. A lot of cleaners drop the airflow once it's fully reclined, and the Aero maintains consistent performance even at full extension. So instead of maneuvering around the furniture, you can actually clean the hidden dust zones. Now let's go ahead and talk power, because slim doesn't mean that it's weak, because this thing is capable of doing 25 kilopascals of suction, and this is strong for its category, and it handles wet and dry messes in a single pass. So spilled cereal and milk, that is not a problem. It can pick them up, and if you got dust and liquid, this is a simple one pass, and instead of vacuuming first and then mopping later, this combines both steps efficiently. And even when you're fully reclined, the suction stays consistent, and that is the key. Next, you got the TangleCut 2.0, because if you live with long hair, pets, or both, you know the hair wrap becomes a maintenance problem, and the Aero uses the TangleCut and is designed to prevent hair from wrapping around the roller. And after testing it out with human hair, because I don't have pets, the brush stays clean, no thick clumps, no manual cutting, and no weekly untangling, and this reduces the maintenance, which is something that people don't really talk about enough. Next is the dual edge cleaning, and this is pretty cool because it's another practical detail. The Aero features the dual edge cleaning so that it cleans tight along both sides, walls, and baseboards, and no need to flip the machine or re-angle. One smooth pass handles edge debris. It saves you time, and especially in kitchens and hallways. Now the runtime, the battery life is rated up to 35 minutes in quiet mode and 25 minutes in standard mode. So with its 6 times 2500 milliamp battery setup, that's enough power for a full apartment and mid-size home in one session. No mid-clean recharge, no stopping halfway. It's built for continuous flow.
Alright guys, when it comes to the cleaning, it's extremely simple. Put it back in the station. The only thing that you have to do is just press the self-wash button one time.
And it runs the soaking cycle with forward and reverse brush rotation that separates debris and hair and mimics the hand washing motion that reduces the buildup over time, and it keeps the performance consistent. So this maintenance stays simple, press once, and it handles the rest. So I think the Dreame Aero wet dry vacuum cleaner, it's gonna be ideal if you have low furniture clearance, you're tired of bending and tilting machines, you want the real wet dry 2-in-1 cleaning, you deal with hair regularly, or you just want simple maintenance. This isn't about adding a flashy feature, but it's about solving everyday friction. So I think the biggest differentiator here is very simple: 3.88 inches, ultra slim body that changes how you clean your home. You just don't clean the visible floors, but you can also clean the hidden spaces too. Add the 25 kilowatt pascals of suction, zero tangle performance, dual edge reach, and the reliable runtime. I think you've got a very practical, well-balanced wet wet dry vacuum that focuses on what actually matters. So if you want something that goes where others can't, this is definitely worth taking a look. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. Go ahead and check it out because we have a special discount, and let me know in the comments below what is the best cleaning hack that you have ever learned. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.